Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 animals that look harmless but deadly. Number 10. The moose. The moose look like friendly in appearance. Even we may feel that some of the moose hold an attractive smile on face. They are the largest and heaviest animals in deer family. The moose or elk have got broad attractive antlers for males. They usually live in temperate climatic regions. Currently most of them are seen in region of Canada, Russia and Alaska. The diet of moose includes vegetation of both land and sea. Wolverine. Wolverine is fuzzy and pretty cute in look. The first look of them will give a calm appearance only. They found in large numbers of northern Canada and Alaska. However, they are not as cute as they look. The muscular carnivore with beautiful fur has aggressive vessel and powerful claws. They are capable of attacking large organisms including human beings. Their jaws and sharp claws help them to have their prey fast. Number 8. Geographic cone snail. They live in the reef of Indo-Pacific region. They usually hunt small fishes, the thin shell in pink, red or white color, the shell covered by thread-like strings, but beneath this beautiful structure, there is a shocking truth. The corn snail got an incredible ability to detect prey swimming nearby. Once they recognize them, immediately they use a needle-like growth from the mouth. Number 7. Slow lories. Those beautiful eyes will make you fall in love with slow lories. They are a kind of nocturnal animals found in Southeast Asia and nearer region. Slow lories is attractive with their big brown eyes and soft fur. Slow lories' elbows can release a type of venom from their sides. The secreted venom, when mixed with their saliva, becomes a highly toxic material. Whenever the animals feel like threatened, it will release the venom to mouth. Number 6. Fire salamander. Fire salamander is a famous type of lizard species mostly found in European region. They are famous for the superb look in combination of black and yellow. Some varieties are seen in shades of red and orange color as well. They can live for around 50 years. These good-looking lizards are found in hilly regions and are more active in evening and night times. But this tiny lizard is poisonous and can cause severe effects. Number 5. Beaver. Beaver is the most abundant type of gnawing mammals. These cute animals are nocturnal and are native of North America and Eurasia. The unique nature of these animals is that they build homes in the form of dams, canals and lodges. The beavers build colonies and it will have one or more dams which help them to escape from predators. It makes them easy to float food and building materials. Number 4. Australian box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are a marine living known for their cube-shaped body. The Australian box jellyfish usually found in northern Australia and Indo-Pacific region. They got an attractive blue color and people will like to have a touch. But these fishes are considered as the most venomous creature in the marine world. Several species cause human death as well. The Australian box jellyfish have about 60 tentacles in the body. Number 3. Leopard seal. Leopard seal is the second largest species of seal in the marine world. They are just next to the killer whales if submarine. These seals found in Australia, New Zealand and South Africa warmer region. They look too funny and innocent in appearance, but you will be shocked to hear that they try to fool us by the funny look. They are highly aggressive towards human beings. Number 2. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus look like a cute jewels with blue colored rings over them. Yes, at first look they seem to be innocent and attractive. These octopus varieties live in Pacific and Indian Ocean region. They are only about 12 to 20 centimeter in length, but never underestimate the power of these ultimate killers. These octopuses, considered as one among the top poisonous animals in the ocean. Number 1. Poison dart frog. The poison dart frog is looking stunning in several color combinations. Undoubtedly, you will move for further observation on these super looking frogs, but beware of one thing. These pretty small frogs have toxin to kill human beings. They got the name when Americans used this venom on their weapon, blowgun darts. These amphibians live in the rainforest of Colombia.